Ever wondered why your pocket feels lighter despite working harder? In the world of finance, few voices resonate as loudly as that of Jim Rickards. His economic forecasts, often tinged with a shade of gloom, have the uncanny ability to ripple through our everyday lives. From the price of your morning coffee to the stability of your job, Rickards' predictions can, and often do, touch us all. So, what's he saying now that's causing such a stir? Let's delve into what Jim Rickards has forecasted and why it matters to you. Jim Rickards has painted an alarming picture of the economy, but what does it all mean? Let's start with inflation. Imagine going to your local grocery store and noticing that the price of eggs has gone up. The next week, you see the price of bread has also increased. This is inflation in action. It's the rising cost of goods and services over time, and it can eat into your purchasing power. Rickards warns that unchecked inflation could cause our money to be worth less and less. Next, we have unemployment. Think about your neighbor, the one who's been struggling to find a job. That's unemployment, and it's a measure of the number of people who are jobless and actively seeking work. Rickards suggests that if businesses are hesitant to hire because of economic uncertainty, we could see a rise in unemployment rates. Lastly, let's talk about recession. Imagine a scenario where businesses are closing, jobs are scarce, and economic growth slows down for a sustained period of time. This is what we call a recession. Rickards points out that a combination of high inflation and unemployment can trigger such a downturn. These are not just abstract concepts but realities that could affect our daily lives. Rickards' predictions may sound dire, but understanding them is the first step towards preparing for any economic turbulence ahead. So these are the three major economic pitfalls Rickards has warned us about. In a nutshell, Rickards' forecast isn't exactly a cheery Christmas carol. He paints a picture of a troubled global economy with potential financial crises looming on the horizon. Rickards' highlights include the prospect of a currency war, an impending stock market crash, and the possible demise of the dollar as the world's reserve currency. These predictions, if they come to pass, could have significant repercussions for everyone, from the everyday consumer to the savvy investor. However, it's important to remember that these are just predictions. The world of finance is complex, and economic outcomes can be influenced by a myriad of factors. But whether Rickards' predictions come true or not, staying informed about economic trends is crucial for your financial well-being. It allows you to make informed decisions, plan for the future, and protect your assets. Remember, knowledge is power, especially when it comes to your wallet. Stay informed, stay ahead.